Mitena is a better mata than Lyra. Alam ko maraming magdi-disagree kasi for so long, na-condition na tayo that Lyra is gonna be the next mata. Even before all the styling hints, the foreshadowing, I was never really sold on Lyra being the next mata. Kasi siya ang comic relief even back in 2016. That's her lane. That's her strength. Kung siya yung mata, feeling ko idodog show niya lahat ng visions niya. Imagine someone telling you the future or may malaking kalaban kayo, tapos joke time yung delivery, diba? The stakes are too high for that. Mitena, on the other hand, has more weight to it. Of course, siya ang kambal ni Cassiopeia, ang OG mata. Both carry that curse or responsibility of seeing the truth, but no one believes them. That gives Mitena's role a more dramatic tension. But wait, ito yung criticism ko. So far, the redemption arc feels rushed. Just because your sister saves you and grants you power, redeemed na siya, bumait na siya. Nabibilisan lang ako sa switch na from book 1, I'm evil, maghahasik ako ng lagim sa buong Encantadia, to book 2 na, okay, tutulungan ko na kayo lahat. Compare ulit natin kay Perena who had the best character arc. She didn't just get redeemed, pinaghirapan niya yon. She fought her own pride, trauma, namatay, nabuhay, namatay ulit, nabuhay ulit. Ilang beses siya tumambling before she got here. We saw and felt that journey and motivation. That's why she is the most loved character sa Encantadia. Si Mitena, okay, gets na yung setup. Her hatred, pain, and betrayal. Andun na yung ingredients eh. I want to see her struggle with her pride. That Perena level internal battle. Hindi yung tutulungan ko kayo lahat, kahit tinanidor ko kayo lahat ng book 1. And that's how she can truly earn the title of being the mata.